Toby. Tobias. Toby. Oh, Toby. Where are you? There you are, Toby. I see you. Hello. Hello, my friend. I want to see if I can catch Toby sneezing. We think he's either got allergies or a respiratory infection. He's not eating as much, but he seems to still be eating and drinking. First I thought he was allergic to me. Hello, Tobias. Tobias can't. Hello, Toby. Toby's the three-legged. So, yeah, you're Dumbo. Yes, you are. I don't want you to fall, honey. You're missing a leg. You don't hold on very well. Hmm?